Hi, yes, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tech World. We talk about all about airdrop, about crypto airdrop, layer one, DP. We talk about Telegram's airdrop. So here with us is a Post official Telegram channel. With us now, they've written something that is shocking somehow, but we don't know. But they are approved to some other things. Many things have set aside. So, when you say airdrop is going to be listed on so date, and at the end there is a great preparation, but at the end you are coming up with one thing or the other, it's surprising. And look at what they said in their official website. They said that to call listing date, okay, to ensure the best launch environment for all the Paws listing dates will be slightly adjusted. That is the date, which is tomorrow, will be slightly adjusted. Okay, you say every step and shift taken by Paws has always been to make things better. This one has no exception. No date will be New dates will be announced soon via our official channel. I don't know if I don't know if they are doing the right thing, or I don't know if they are tricking us. Say pause. They like, even their TikTok side, they will be giving you some kind of video that will make you to be reasoning and all the other stuff. Why I'm saying this is this that when you check Bybit, you see that Bybit, there's a countdown already in Bybit. When you check Bitget, there's a countdown already in Bitget. So you understand now. When you check so many of the exchanges that will list them, there's already a countdown to it. So are they going to make adjustment and all the other? I don't know. So that this one show that the date will be adjusted, a new date will be announced. And the date has not, okay, the date has not been announced. A new date, you say new date will be announced soon via an official channel. This is Paul's official Twitter channel. It's not that another person is saying this. It's Paul's official channel. Okay. Okay. When you come over to Biget, this is Biget. When you come over to Biget, you will see that. Look at it on the screen. And look at it. Pulse. Look at it. There's already a countdown to it. It say 00 day. 18 hours remaining. The countdown is reading, and they are telling us another different thing in their official website that a new date want to be announced via their official page. What are we saying? What are we doing?